do those buyers consult with renovators, people that are actively renovating?
Yes, always talking to our customers and speaking to industry experts as well. I guess the thing that's sort of best thing about the build is that when you're shopping for a renovation or a new build, you have to go out to different showrooms and trawl around looking for different things, and it can be quite a time-consuming process. The thing about the build is that you can do all of that from the comfort of your own home, in your pajamas, if you like. And I know, especially being a mum with 2 young kids and having just gone through the process myself, it's really tricky to try and get everything you need and without kind of going grey. So the build, I guess, is a fabulous resource in that respect. We even offer samples, so you can order up to 5 samples for free on our website. So if you want to touch and feel the tiles and look at the tiles in person, you can order them to be sent home, and you can scheme at home and pull the looks together yourself and have confidence in knowing that the colours you're seeing on the website are in fact what you're going to receive, which is an amazing.
Well, it's sort of essential because it's really hard to represent a colour accurately through
Definitely.
photos, isn't it? Yeah.